Hello everybody, I thought I'd do a quick video of this particular pocket watch. It's a half Hunter Waltham Vanguard. As you can see, it is in exceptional condition. To open it, you just press the button. It's fully working. Has a 14-carat gold plated case with a white enamel dial signed by Waltham with the second hand. It's working beautifully, keeping time as well. Let's have a look. Yep, there it goes, same time as my watch. I'll close it up, just press the top, go to the back. Once again, in very nice condition, some superficial abrasions, but nothing to worry about. You open the back. I've already opened it, but you use a pocket watch blunt knife edge, or your fingernail, if you can get over your fingernail, to avoid any scratch marks. As you can see, if I can get the reflections out of the way, it's got 14-carat case markings, and it got written on Sun. Again, dust cover, open, and it repeats the information there. This watch, as you can see, has a absolutely marvellous movement. It has 23 jewels, 5 positions, adjusted to 5 positions, and it has a gold star wheel regulator. You get these star wheel regulators, but not very often with the raised gold star. As you can see, it's working really well. Let's go back down again. Has a nickel plate. Close it up. Easily closed. Nice size. The size is 16S. It's got a serial number 16136095, which dates it around 1907. So it's doing extremely well considering its age. That's it really. Just a very short video, just to show. I don't do this very often, just to show how nice this is. If you're interested, then it is for sale on my website, obviously. Thank you very much for watching.